Hey, this is Nick. Welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So, today's video. I'm working on getting my plow repaired. I was plowing the other night, and the plow just kind of felt like it wasn't working right. It's all hydraulic system. It's a Fisher V plow, and so I was pushing snow, and then I lifted the blade and it was going super slow, and then I tried to like squeeze it in and it was like it didn't want to go, and so I had to stop plowing in the middle of my route and checked everything out. I couldn't see any visible signs of leaking from any of the fittings, but there was blue hydraulic fluid all over everything. What I had to do is I bought some more hydraulic fluid, low temperature hydraulic fluid, and filled it up on the spot, and then I was able to plow the rest of the route, so I'm going to carry that with me, but we'll see. When it was leaking, all the hydraulic hoses are all on this right side here. Everything was dry. There was no fluid on anything. However, there was fluid all over this case, all the way down here, and dripping out of the bottom. This is actually not even on right now. It was dripping out of the bottom, and it was all over the frame and everywhere. The truck, the plow, it was all over this, everything. I had it parked in my driveway. The snow's melted, but you could see it right here. I mean, this stuff was everywhere. If you pull this flap up, this case comes off, and that rubber band that just fell off earlier holds the bottom on. And inside here, there's all this electrical stuff, and I saw this and everything was coated in hydraulic fluid. But inside there, there's a little screw, and over there, there's another little screw, all right? And that screw right there was loose and had worked its way up, out halfway probably. So we took that out, put some Loctite on it, and screwed it back in, and then he cleaned everything off really good. I was surprised, he used brake cleaner, sprayed brake cleaner all over everything, and then used an air hose, and that like dries super quick. So everything dried up, and then I was back on the road in minutes. So to put this back on, you just push that in. Can't do this with one hand. Pull that down, and that's it. And there's this rubber band on the bottom that fell off that you just put around this little thing. It's pretty easy. So yeah, that's it. I bought a hydraulic hose, so I have an extra, and I've got some extra hydraulic fluid, so if I ever blew a hose, I've got a backup too now. I think a lot of people think plow guys just go out and they're pushing snow around and having fun, and a lot of times for me that's what it is, but you have breakdowns, you have problems, and a lot of time they're like 3 o'clock in the morning, and you know, so it's just a little thing I had to deal with this week. So hopefully this helps somebody in the future. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, please subscribe, and when you subscribe, ring the little bell, the notification bell, so you can get notified on my new videos. Yeah, I know this isn't carpentry, but I'm a plow guy too, so this is part of the job, you know. Unfortunately, some days are better than others. Luckily, this was under warranty, even though no part was broken, so he didn't charge me anything to do it. I guess that's it. See you next time.